By the end of this video, you will know how to view your team in Gusto. You should already be logged in to your Gusto account and looking at the main dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. This menu is where you move between the main areas of the account, and for this task, the section you need is called People. Click People in the left navigation. After you select it, the People page will open. When this page appears, the Active tab is selected by default. That means the first view you see is focused on the team members who are currently active in the account. Take a moment to look over the list displayed on the page. This area shows the active team members associated with your organization. If you are reviewing the team as a whole, this default list gives you the current active group in one place. You can scroll through the names shown here and confirm who is included under the Active tab. If you need to locate one specific person instead of scanning the full list, use the Search People field on the page. Click into that field and enter the name of the team member you want to find. As you search, the page narrows the results so you can move directly to the person you need. This is useful when the team list is long or when you want to open one profile without browsing through everyone first. Along the top of the People page, you will also see additional tabs that organize other groups of people. These can include onboarding, offboarding, dismissed, and collaborators. Select any of these tabs to switch away from the active view and display that group instead. This helps you look at people based on their current status or role in the account rather than only viewing active team members. When you find a person you want to review, click the team member's name. This opens that individual profile where you can view their information. The profile page is where the person's details are shown within Gusto. So this is the place to go when you need to look beyond the list view and into the record for one specific team member. If you want to continue checking different people, return to the People page and repeat the same process by selecting another name or switching to another tab at the top. The main path stays the same, starting from People and then moving into the list or search results. Thanks for watching. You have now viewed your team in Gusto and opened a team member profile.